Being able to remove the background from images is important because it helps isolate the subject, creating cleaner, more professional visuals that are easier to reuse across different designs, such as marketing, e-commerce, and branding. Manually removing backgrounds can be time-consuming because it requires precise, detailed work around edges, fine textures, and transparency, often taking significant time per image. The new AI Remove Background tool automatically detects the subject and removes the background with a single click. To remove the background from an image in Corel PHOTO-PAINT, do one of the following. Select the background. To remove the background from the background layer, click Object, Remove Background. Select an object. To remove the background from an object, or define an editable area to remove the background from an image area. In CorelDRAW, select the object you want to remove the background from and click either on the Remove Background icon in the property bar, or right-click the object and select the command from the context menu. Another repetitive task that can become very time-consuming when done manually is selecting a subject within an image, especially when adjustments or special effects are needed. The new AI Mask from Subject command in Corel PHOTO-PAINT uses artificial intelligence to automatically identify and select the subject, making it particularly effective for hard-to-isolate details such as human hair or other fine, intricate elements. I'll turn on the mask overlay so that I can actually see which areas are selected. Let's start by selecting the subject of our image here. With my subject selected, I'll click on Mask. Mask from Subject. Once I have my subject selected, it's easy to copy and paste this onto a different background. Removing backgrounds with a single click, using the powerful new Remove Background tool in CorelDRAW and Corel PHOTO-PAINT, and selecting difficult subjects with the AI-powered masking in Corel PHOTO-PAINT offers professional-level control, handling complex details in seconds, and freeing users to focus on creative decisions rather than repetitive editing tasks.